Welcome to the TPC Desktop video series. In this video, we're going to take a look at some new records that Traverse PC supports for the Trimble data collectors. Now, these will be available in 2018, release 2, out late summer 2018. I've opened up a file from a user, and they're working in the NED27 Washington North. Let's just go and do a quick import. We'll select the Trimble DC10 from the file list or type list here, and let's just bring their file in and import it and take a look at what's actually in here. Now, for those of you that are familiar with the Trimble format, you're going to see a lot of this information that you'd see in some of the Trimble software that reads these. This is a file that basically has angle sets. Traverse PC now supports the mean turned angle record, so we can get those values printed out here, and also the residual records for each of the angles in there. And if we open up the Traverse view for this Traverse, we're going to see that same information in the format that Traverse PC uses inside the Traverse view. So here, those individual observations, the F1s, F2s, the means, backside B2s. So same information that I see in the report, over here in the message view, I see in the Traverse. Let's take a look at some more records now. This is a file from a user, and this one happens to be in Kansas North, NED83. Let's go ahead and bring in their file. And we'll scroll up here to the top, and you can see that it took them a few times with the datum and stuff to kind of get started, but now they're rolling. And we've got some stored points in here, both coordinates and latitude, longitude. Okay, so this is new now. GPS vectors, those of you that do RTK. Traverse PC understands and can compute Earth-centered, Earth-fixed. So it accounts for the delta coordinates between the base station and rover. It also accounts for the offsets of antennas on both the base station and the rover. Computes the latitude, longitude, and elevation or height, ellipsoid height of the RTK point, and then creates that in Traverse PC. Now, if we open up for this 1030, open up the Traverse, Traverse PC actually stores those deltas with the points. So this point 1030 has got the deltas stored with it, and if we choose Tools Recompute or Recompute, however, Traverse PC applies that Earth-centered, Earth-fixed computation again, and computes the position of that RTK point. So pretty neat. Then notice also the stakeout records. These are new. Traverse PC says we've got a design point, this mod 35, and we've staked that out. We actually give you the raw deltas right out of the A5 record in the Trimble file, and then we go ahead and tell you that here's the measured point, here's the design point, here's the deltas, and they should match up exactly here like they do. And again, Traverse PC stores these deltas in that stakeout point, mod 135. So let's go into that Traverse again. And here's our mod 135. So right next to it is the stakeout point. So here's our design point. Here's the as staked point. And Traverse PC is storing the deltas that are read from that DC file. If we update the position of mod 135, then we get a new position for the staked out point. And with this @ symbol here, Traverse PC allows me to generate a stakeout report for that. So I can go to the points, I can select everything, and I can say I want to do a stakeout report. And I'll basically get some of the same information again, that here's my design, here's my stake, here's my difference, cut and fill, all that sort of thing. So really a nice feature having those stakeout points in there. Now, there are quite a number of other records that we're supporting now. We can easily go to Content, expand this out. Let's search for Trimble. And we should be able to jump right in to Trimble DC10. And you can see here are the records that are supported now. And all of these with the asterisk on them were supported with this 2018 R2. So just look up through the list here, quite a few of them. The lines, the circular arcs, quality control, mean angles, residuals, the point grid deltas for stakeout. Quite a number of new records in here that we're supporting for the Trimble. Also, some of you know the DC files are a little old. Trimble has replaced those with the, I think they're the PXJ files. We'll be adding support for those in 2019, but it'll be a lot of the same information.